Hello, grade 2. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying your good health. This is your SSC lesson, and in this lesson, we are going to revise unit number 12, helping others. So, we start our lesson. Students, you are required to open page number 73 and revise this unit with me. Students, helping others. What do you think? What is the meaning of helping others? Students, helping people means making them realize their worth. Helping people means making them realize their worth, supporting them while they achieve their goal, acknowledging them, sharing their sorrow and happiness. Helping people means making them realize their worth, supporting them while they achieve their goal, acknowledging them, sharing their sorrow and happiness. Helping others is an act of kindness. Students, in simple words, we can say that helping others is an act of kindness. Helping those that need us is a good thing. Something a lot of people may not think about nor do often. If a person is experiencing difficulty in life, showing them love and kindness can uplift them from the situation they are in. Showing kindness and doing good deeds sets a good example for you and for your family. Students, once you start giving, you will feel healthy and happy. So, sharing is very important. Students, a kind act is never forgotten. Kindness softens our heart and brightens our world. A kind act is never forgotten. Kindness softens our heart and brightens our world. Clear? So, helping others is very important in our life. We should not neglect this act. Students, in this regard, we read about a famous personality named Abdul Sattar Idi. In this unit, looking at the concept of helping others, we read about a famous personality named Abdul Sattar Idi, who founded the Idi Foundation, which runs the world's largest volunteer ambulance network, along with various homeless shelters, animal shelters, rehabilitation centers, and orphanage across Pakistan. For this, Idi may well be the most widely admired man in Pakistan. Students, for this act of kindness, Idi is regarded as the most widely admired man in Pakistan. Clear, students? So, students, if you do good, you have good. If you do such acts of kindness, you are always famous around the world. Same is the case with Abdul Sattar Idi. He is renowned all over the world for his act of kindness, for his generosity, for his work for the welfare of human beings. Students, in this unit, we read about sharing also. Students, sharing is distributing or letting someone else use your portion of something. Sharing is distributing or letting someone else use your portion of something. In simple words, we can say to allow someone to use or enjoy something that one possesses. And students, for example, we can say sharing means two children are playing nicely together with the truck. They are sharing the same toy happily. Now understand? Students, in this regard, for more understanding, we have read a story about sharing. So, we read this story together. So, students, you have to go to page number 76 and read this story with me. Once there was a man who went high up into the mountains to see a wise old woman. How can I be happy? He asked the wise old woman. Come with me, she said. She took him to two doors. She opened the first door. The man saw a room full of thin, sad people. They were sitting at a table with a huge pot of soup. It smelt lovely. Each person held a spoon, but there was a problem. Each spoon was 1 meter long. They tried hard, but they could not eat a drop of soup. The wise old woman shut the first door and opened the second door. The man saw a room full of healthy, happy people. They were sitting at a table with a huge pot of soup. It smelled lovely. Each person held a spoon 1 meter long. They were feeding each other. Now you know how to be happy, said the wise old woman. Students, from this story, we learn that if we think about ourselves, if we want to eat food, if we want to take reward ourselves, how can we become happy for our life? If we are not sharing something with others, we cannot be happy and healthy. We cannot spend healthy life. As in the first picture, people are worried about it. People are not putting the food in their mouths, as they are not able to share their food because of some hurdles, because of some difficulties. In the second picture, they are holding the spoons, but they have the tricks how to share their food with each other. This is the fact. This is the reality of life. If we want to keep ourselves happy, if we want to spend a happy and calm life, we should spend our time, we should spend our hours with others, so that other people can uh, get benefit from us. They can get happiness from our souls, from our lives. Is this clear, students? So students, this is your lesson for today. I hope now you are clear about helping others. Thank you for your listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.